Now, this question, you know that when you have a set of number, you multiply by m, then you add by n. What happened to your mean? Your mean must multiply by m and add by n. Yeah. So here, can we find out what is your mean, original set? Can we find the mean original? So this would be 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. Divide by somebody? 5, right? So this is 5, 14, 20. This is 20, right? 20 divided by 5, answer is 4. Now, what happened if every number you times with n plus by n? My mean, new mean, must also multiply by n plus by n to get 17. Understand? Okay, but here's the thing. They gave us the new standard deviation, so we had to find out the original standard deviation. It's a bit annoying. Now, what's the original standard deviation? We find your sum x. 2, 3, 4. Okay, sum x squared, sorry. Mean I already have. Square this first. Who can help me? 90. Okay, so my original standard deviation is 90 divided by 5 numbers minus your mean, put a square and a square root. So it's square root of 2, right? Is it square root of 2? Yeah? Or no, I put a square root. Yeah, because I'm finding standard deviation, not variance, right? This is 18, right? 18 minus 6 is 2 on square root 2. Okay, so what happens if you multiply everything by m? My new standard deviation, my original standard deviation, must multiply by m to get my new standard deviation. But do you plus with n? No. Standard deviation is not affected by plus minus. It's only affected by times or divide. So what's your m? Malaysia, can divide for me? Is it 2? 2, right? 2. No, 4. 4. 4. Is it 4? So then you sub inside equation number 1.